Alright, today I have the Sandisk Extreme Portable SSD. I'm going to be opening this up and showing you and talking about a few of the features that the Sandisk Extreme Portable SSD has to offer. This one right here is the 1 terabyte. They have several different types of terabytes. They have a 2 terabyte, and I think I saw a 4 terabyte. It may go up above that as well. Alright, so this is a high-speed design to keep you moving. Now I got this right here because it's lightweight, no moving parts. It is water resistant. So if you can see at the bottom of this, it says water resistant al agua. I believe that's Spanish right there. I'm not too fluent in Spanish, so I'm going to skip on that part right there. It says store more faster. Stockies plus rapidement. Yeah, I'm not great at Spanish, but either way, this is what it looks like. It's showing you a picture of on the side and some of the specs on the back. It shows high speed, water resistant, and is that drop resistant? And you can easily put it in your pocket. I don't understand Spanish all that well, but I do understand pictures. No one can outread me when it comes to pictures. All right, so here it is right here. I'm going to go ahead and open this box up. I'm going to go right here. And pull this thingamajiggawana out. So here is the Sandisk. Fits in the palm of my hand. Right here. Here is the plug. Go ahead and pull that. And it's out right here. 1 terabyte. Right here is USB-C. That is the input, output right there. Inside is some reading material that you can read. Save that for the toilet. All right. And here are the plugs as well as an adapter. So here is the USB-C. This is one end of it right here, and the other end of the USB-C. There is a USB-A adapter. Okay, so you can plug this in right here. Say, for instance, you have an adapter, or you have a USB-A, plug that in. There is a female port for the... There, I'm going to take my male part and put in the female port. And right there you have an adaptation right here. So this is the Sandisk Extreme Portable SSD. Go ahead and plug this in right here. I hope this video gave you some insight to Sandisk Portable SSD 1 terabyte. And one important thing that I did not mention, so the read-write is right here. It says read-write. Read, it has 1050 megabytes per second for reading. And then writing, it is 1000 megabytes per second. All right, said it all. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.